Okay, so this is Mr. Frasia, and I'm going through really quickly some things to keep in mind when trying to finish 4.07. Number one, I would be using the template. So we're going to go to 4. There we go. And we're going to go to 4.07. And we click. And then we're going to download the activity template. Ta-da! Please use that help site. It helps so much with a lot of these things. Okay, so now when we're looking at the template, what I want you to see is the first activity deals with opposites. So knowing what two inverses are. Please make sure that you're thinking really carefully about the numbers you're picking, because what is the opposite of adding to? Correct. Subtracting to. So when you pick your numbers, make sure two of your numbers will have to be the same. Like when you have to pick a number for A, B, C, and D, you're going to look at where they're at, and you got to make sure that the numbers that are doing the opposite operations are the same, or it won't work. Okay? So you're going to do that for task 1, and then you have to, for the prove to show your work that they're inverses, take your first function and stick it inside for x of your second function, do the math and work it out, okay? And you should be able to show all that work right here in part 3. When you do the work to prove that they're inverses, you will see that when you put them equal to each other, you should come up with a certain answer. All right, and then you graph them. I would use desmos.com as your calculator. It even gives you, and you insert the picture there. You should have 3 lines on your picture. Okay, and then the creating the radicals, extraneous and non-extraneous. Those are described in the actual lesson, so make sure you're looking at the lesson to pick your numbers so that you understand what extraneous means and what non-extraneous means. All right, now all of these tasks are reflected in the lesson, so make sure you use the lesson to help you. I will say though, picking the numbers, I will give you a hint. 2 of the letters have to be the same number, all right? So you actually end up only using 2 numbers throughout the whole exercise, but A, B, C, and D, but 2 of the letters will be the same. All right, other than that, have a good day. If you have any questions, please reach out to Mr. Frazier, 588-6448, press button 6. Have a great day. Bye-bye.